Can you hear it? Can you hear? It's raining! It's raining! It's raining so hard! The rainy season has finally come. No more hot weather, no more sweating, no more whatever. The rain has come and they say that Maharashtra is really, really beautiful when it rains. So, I hope it will be really, really beautiful and I hope there will not be much problem of flooding or what they call waterlogging. Oh my God, the rain is really malakas ang ulan. Although I think there are no storms here. The Lady of Mojendaro is also, I think, welcoming the rain. Yay!